Best portfolio websites for game UI designers. A strong online portfolio is essential for showcasing your skills as a game UI designer. Here are some popular platforms. Behance, known for its clean layout and ability to showcase large projects with multiple images and videos. Dribble, popular for its community-driven approach and focus on design shots. ArtStation, primarily used by artists but also suitable for showcasing game UI designs. Your own website for full control over your portfolio's design and content. Websites for collecting references. To gather inspiration and analyze successful UI designs, consider these platforms. Game UI Database, a dedicated platform for showcasing game UI screens. Interface in-game, curated collection of games with exceptional UI design. Dribble, while primarily for designer portfolios, you can find UI inspiration. Behance, similar to Dribble, offers a wealth of design inspiration. Pinterest, create boards for different UI styles and game genres. Additional tips, curate your portfolio, showcase your best work and focus on projects that align with your desired job roles. Tell a story, explain your design process and the challenges you overcame. Use high-quality images, invest in good photography or screen captures to showcase your work effectively. Stay updated. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects. By utilizing these platforms and following these tips, you can create a compelling portfolio that highlights your game UI design skills.